Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a fantastic storage solution that has been making waves in the organization world. Introducing the Iris USA 13QT stackable plastic storage bins with lids. If you're on the hunt for the best storage boxes with lids, look no further. These clear plastic bins are not just aesthetically pleasing, they're also incredibly functional. These bins are proudly made in the USA, crafted from high-quality, durable plastic that ensures your items are safe and secure. The transparent design allows you to see exactly what's inside without having to open each box. This is perfect for those of us who want to keep things organized but also want to avoid the hassle of rummaging through clutter. One of the standout features of these bins is their stackability. Whether you're using them in your closet, office, or playroom, these bins maximize your space efficiently. The securely locking lids not only keep your items safe from dust and damage, but they also allow you to stack multiple bins on top of each other, creating a neat and tidy environment. Another thoughtful detail is the pull handle located at the bottom of the bins. This makes it easy to retrieve them, even from high shelves. The secure buckles on the lid add an extra layer of security, ensuring that everything stays in place, no matter where you store them. These storage bins are not just for clothes or toys. You can use them to store everything from craft supplies and office documents to holiday decorations and sports equipment. The versatility of these bins is truly impressive, making them an essential addition to any home or workspace. Now, let's talk about maintenance. The Iris USA bins are BPA-free and acid-free, making them safe for storing all kinds of items. Plus, they are easy to clean. A simple wipe down with a damp cloth is all you need to keep them looking brand new, which is a huge plus for busy households. For those curious about size, each bin measures 16.5 inches in length, 11 inches in width, and 6.8 inches in height. This makes them compact enough to fit in most storage spaces while still providing ample room for your belongings. In conclusion, the Iris USA 13QT stackable plastic storage bins with lids are an outstanding choice for anyone looking to declutter and organize their space. With their transparent design, stackability, and secure locking features, they truly stand out as the best storage boxes with lids on the market. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Stay organized, and see you in the next video.